I want to start off by thanking you for being here, all of you, to celebrate my brother and my new sister.
Hey, buddy. What was that? Hold up your chicken.
Congrats, Ken, Sean.
Yeah.
Congrats, Ken, Sean. What are you doing?
Associated with that.
Heart, you guys. Love you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Send you a teacup.
Woo!
Happy wedding, Kat and Sean.
Yeah, say hi. Just taking some B-roll.
My brother has always been a leader for me, but he's done it from calling to tell me to be a better version of myself. Though it's effortlessly seen within me what I might not see in myself. And I have the privilege of witnessing Kat be a leader for my brother.
You have built so much of this life through your own hard work. But of course we can't forget that for most of it, Sean was also there. Because you guys have known each other for over a decade now. I've known her since I was about 13, I think. Even as a bratty younger sister, I don't think I've ever had one negative thing to say about Sean. And you have both separately and jointly created amazing lives. And I'm so excited to see everything that you'll do in the future.
I'd like to mention Sean's mom, Lisa. It's fine, young man. It's clear you did a great job raising him, so very good.
Here.
I've been thinking about the song that I heard, and it says time and places are all in who you share them with. Everybody that is here today, here at this time and in this place, it's all about who we share it with, and everyone that's here is here on purpose.
As your dad, I want you to be happy. I can see Sean makes you happy. And you were obviously a good match. Your mom said something at one of the engagement parties earlier that you guys continue to do things that interest you while letting the other person shine. I want you to continue doing that. I hope you continue doing that.
How do you feel post-wedding?
Oh my god.
Joyous?
Yeah. It went really well. Everyone was great. Mommy's amazing.
Oh, mother of the bride.
Someone's interrupting. It was a great time. I cried 700 times. Everyone rudely made me cry.
Of course, par for the course.
Okay, bye.